On your mark.
I got started back in 1969 with a few runners that didn't have a place to run. So we started up having a meet once a week, and probably started out with maybe 15, 20 people, and each year it grew.
I come to these track meets for a workout. It's a good time to come here and jump in a couple mile races.
I come to these track meets to stay in shape, see what I have in my legs that day.
For a competition, it's a good, friendly atmosphere. A lot of good runners come.
Just as a training run to do every week.
Here is a volunteer. It doesn't cost anybody anything to run, so it's all free.
Go!
I've been coming to these colony meets since I was probably a freshman in high school, and I am 22 now, or 20, going on 23, so I've been doing them for about 8 or 9 years.
Keep on doing it as long as I'm still vertical.
He's up in the air too, like that. Like that. Jack! Jack!